Welcome back, viewers. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful plant, and we are going to replant these. These are called canna lilies, and these are very beautiful plants. You can keep them indoor and you can keep them outdoor. You can plant them in pot. You can see this is 10-inch pot, and we are going to replant them in the same pot. So first cut off the bigger stem which had flowered, and remove all the leaves if you are going to save the tubers for the next season. And if you are going to replant, then you must leave the newer shoots so the plant will keep its photosynthesis and will keep growing until next season of flowering. So today we are going to show you how to replant the canna lilies, and we are also going to show you how to divide. You can see new shoot is coming. Remove all the roots. You can use the roots in the same pot. They will decompose with the time and become food for your plant, or you can remove and use the compost. There is no problem if you leave the roots in the soil. So you can see we are going to remove all the leaves and divide this plant. This was one plant and it grew for a full season in this pot, and now we are going to show you how much we can divide this one plant. It is very easy to divide. You can see this is our one plant and this is another plant. Very beautifully developed roots. You can remove the roots if you are going to save the bulbs, or cut them half and replant them. Canna lily is a very low maintenance plant. You don't need to care much for the fertilizer. You can only fertilize it twice in the growing season, and that's it. It doesn't need much of water. You have to use a well draining soil for it. And you can see this is a pot, 10-inch pot. Place a stone on the hole and fill it with the soil. And now we are going to mix the cow dung compost. Use 30% compost and 70% soil. If you are using garden soil, add some sand in it or use the sand mix soil. And if you don't have sand, you can mix coco peat. If you are using coco peat, then you also need to water it less because the moisture retention of coco peat is very high. Canna lilies can grow to 5 to 6 feet if they are in a good environment. In pots, if you are repotting them every year, then they will also reach to 4 to 5 feet. If you are not repotting them every year, they will grow in cluster. This canna lily bears orange flowers and its leaves are variegated, yellow and green. I have one more variety. Its leaves are green, but its flowers are red. You can plant them in ground or you can plant them in a pot. Very beautiful plant. My plants are in a place where they get 1.5 or 2 hours of direct sunlight where they flower, and one plant is in a shaded area where it gets only half an hour of direct sunlight of evening, and that plant is also there for 2 years and it never flowered. So you can use this plant as indoor, but it will not flower there. And you can use this plant as outdoor where it will also flower. Very beautiful choice for indoor and outdoor gardeners. It's a perennial plant, easily divided by its root division, and it is very care free plant. You can see we have replanted this pot too, and the same ratio of compost is used. You can use DAP, which will help in root development. So this is the repotting of our canna lily and division. In another video I will tell you how to save the tubers of canna lily for the next season. Like our video, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now we are going to water our plant. Next time I am going to water it after 3 days. So stay tuned. Happy gardening. And yes, I am going to use these leaves to prepare some compost. Bye.